Okay, this is on the Korn job, number 55890, installed on 7/27/330 by Jason. This is video 2 of 2, second floor system. So you come up the stairs, it's right here. We're going to replace the drain pan. The new furnace will sit 6 3/4 inches from the sheetrock wall. The back of the furnace will be 1 inch off the back wall. So I figured the furnace will just sit flush with this wood here, and drain pan will go all the way to here. May have to move the wire forward just a little bit to get the drain pan in, because I went 34, which is like to right here. Then I just brought it to 36 inches long, so it's going to stop just short of this drain here. So anyway, furnace be a 10-inch base, and you're going to hold the filter box up 2 inches so things can go over the drain pan. So I'll make you a 2x1 angle, 24 3/4 inch long. Okay, I made the base a little taller just because we had the room, and just in case, so our drain and stuff wouldn't be close to it. Anyway, so that got an 8-inch straight piece of duct, then a canvas, and then that transition. The bottom's going to come up 1 inch. So a cut line right there on the supply, return cut line right there. They should be the same height. So on this duct, as it shows in a transition. So here, I figure I'll make this, let's see, how am I going to do that? I will make this a U-shaped piece of duct with the front, the part to snap on, and open up an equivalent for 400 CFM, equivalent of 10x10 duct into each joist space, so you can do it longer or whatever if you want to get more. But and then we're going to use the joist space and put a 30x6 flat grill right here above the baseboard. Okay, so that's it on the duct. Combustion air, not applicable. Why isn't it applicable? Yeah, you do have a combustion air right there. So we're going to need to cap that with a 6-inch round drip cap. So that's what I'll give you. But then the other vent, going to run 2-inch PVC up through, so remove this B vent, but just leave a little section going through the roof. And then I'll give you a rain guard for the concentric, but 2-inch concentric through the roof with the rain guard. And then attic access is right there, and you can get a ladder on the back of the deck right here. There's a door. I'm just going to show you. So it looks like that's your combustion air, and that's your flue. So I'll probably just need to cut that shorter. Okay. So on your gas, so from your caulk, you're going to add a 1/2x16 and then a flex. to a T, 4 cap, then a 16 out of the furnace, and close nipples. AC, I went over it on the first video, but Parker's going to have to change this breaker from a 25 to a 30 and label first and second floor ACs as well. Drain, just to the existing bell. Standard order, but you're going to add a coil and drain pan safety switch. Thermostat, you're going to put on an S40 thermostat. Power, you're going to reuse the existing box switch and cover, but I'm going to give you another 2x4 box with flat cover. So you can use this as a junction. And I went over the return air already. What's that say? And that's it.